In this video, I will tell you top 3 websites. It will be very useful for the students. Number 1. PFP Maker. This website make your profile picture look as a professional look. I show some template as how the profile picture look alike. These are some of the samples. You can also modify color of your pictures. Make your own color. Then preview your picture, or you can able to download this picture with high quality. Number 2. Clean up pictures. This website will make you to remove the unnecessary object without reducing quality of pictures. Number 3. Remove BG. This websites will help you to remove the background clear and looks you picture clean. You can upload any image and it will erase the background and it will show plain image.